Welcome to the 7th and final video of the Do-It-Yourself Alaska Hunting Series. In this episode, we'll take a look at everybody's favorite topic, gear. I'll offer some ideas on how to categorize your hunting gear and what to pack for your adventure. This video is brought to you by the Hunting for God, Fishing for the Lord series of books. Come along on an unforgettable adventure for the soul. Learn more and order your copies today at Amazon.com by clicking on the link in the video description below or by visiting 3minutesoutdoors.com. When all the research, planning, and training are done for your do-it-yourself Alaska hunting adventure, the time finally comes to pack up and head north. Selecting and choosing the right gear for such a monumental endeavor can be a source of confusion and even anxiety. Forgetting something vitally important or having critical gear fail on such an adventure can be the difference between success and failure, and even more so, it can be the difference between life and death while out in the unforgiving wilderness of Alaska. As you begin the process of discerning what gear to choose and pack, keep in mind that you'll have limited space and strict weight restrictions on an Alaskan hunt, especially if you're flying out to a location in a bush plane or doing a float hunt. The gear that you pack should be as lightweight and multifunctional as possible, and it should also be of the highest quality that you can afford. The Alaskan wilderness is no place for cheap, piece of junk gear that will fail when you need it the most. The equipment that you choose will have a significant impact on your productivity and personal safety, and again, it can certainly play a key role in your overall hunting success. Naturally though, having the best gear in the world is useless if you don't know how to properly use it. Now, much of what you take along on an Alaska hunting adventure will depend on what and where you'll be hunting, as well as what time of year it is. Based on these factors, there can be many variables as far as the specific gear that you may or may not need. Now, this is way too big of a subject to cover in just one relatively short video, so please keep in mind that what I'll be sharing with you here is a general overview to get you started in the right direction. If you'd like more detailed information on gear selection for hunting in Alaska, again, I'd recommend picking up a copy of my Alaska Hunting Quick Start Guide, as I cover things much more extensively there. Keep in mind, too, that while all the gear that I'll be covering here may seem like a heck of a lot, when it's all said and done, you should be able to pack it all up in a few large duffel bags or plastic totes. Which again is why you'll want to choose gear that is durable but lightweight and multifunctional, so you don't bring along a bunch of heavy, unnecessary stuff. No matter what or where you'll be hunting in Alaska, the gear that you'll need to pack for your adventure will fall into the following categories. As a first step, based on all the extensive planning you've done for your particular hunt in your particular location, make a well thought out list of what you'll need for your trip for each of these categories. After you have that list together, be sure to check things off as you're getting packed, and then go over it all again before you get ready to head out. As an example to get you thinking about your own hunt, what follows is my packing list for moose hunting. However, most everything on this list is also what I take along on pretty much all of my wilderness hunts. The only thing that really changes is my weapon of choice and any animal-specific hunting accessories, such as game calls. So there you have it, my friends. To wrap things up, planning for an Alaska hunt is a huge adventure in and of itself. And while there are lots of details to go over and many preparations to be made, all of those things should ultimately be an exciting, educational source of fun. Don't let the process intimidate you. Start knocking out all of the tasks that I've covered in this video series one by one, and before you know it, all the work will be done. You'll have a sound knowledge of what's in store, and you'll have the confidence to take on whatever may come your way in the great land of Alaska. Once again, if you'd like a hard copy of all the information that I've covered in this video series and more, be sure to get a copy of my Alaska Hunting Quick Start Guide. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.